Welcome to LSU's Craft and Hawkins Department of Petroleum Engineering. We'll start by watching a video on LSU's multi-million-dollar well control facility, followed by a video on the LSU Chevron 3D Visualization Lab.
This is the LSU Petroleum Engineering Research and Technology Transfer Laboratory, or what many of us call the well facility. It's the only facility of its kind in North America at a university. We're the only school in the United States that offers and requires hands-on training in well control and in understanding hydrostatics and pressure control in real wells. They're learning from the real behavior of real fluids, mud and natural gas in real wells using real equipment.
To use the equipment that is used in the field in such great detail, I think it's unparalleled, and it's definitely above and beyond what anyone else does.
There's a lot of camaraderie that's built in tackling difficult projects. They start to understand how to work together and also how to work safely.
The well that we're working with today was drilled in the mid-1980s as a research well. Configuration of LSU well number 1 to represent a subsea well in 3,000 feet of water is the only place in the world that that's been done. And so the experience that was gained and the testing and the results of the testing from using that well configuration are still uniquely valuable today. This is a place where we can come safely try out new ideas, new equipment, find what works, find how to make them better before we take those new technologies to the field.
Welcome to LSU's Chevron Reservoir Characterization Lab. Visualization is essential for engineers and scientists to study the subsurface structures that contain oil and gas, geothermal energy, or that can be used for CO2 storage. This facility for interdisciplinary research and teaching contains state-of-the-art computers and software for visualization, with an emphasis on advancing the art and practice of oil and gas reservoir modeling. The Chevron Reservoir Characterization Lab will help train LSU petroleum engineering students to help them find and produce the oil and gas, the energy that the world needs. From a student's perspective, where an array of disciplines will have the chance to work with advanced technology, learning will shift from observation to exploration. Prepared charts and pictures will be replaced with an ability for students to drive the software packages themselves and delve into any part of the data they find interesting. Likewise, the lab gives research groups an opportunity to engage in collaborative exploration of data and results. Petroleum engineering majors are not the only students who will benefit from the state-of-the-art lab. It will also benefit students in the areas of geology and geophysics. Chevron's investment ensures that there will be scientists and engineers who are well prepared to develop the innovation and technology that will address future energy needs. The problem petroleum engineers face. Petroleum engineers are attempting to flow a multi-phase fluid through a porous medium, through a rock, through the pore spaces in the rock, as you can see on the video right now. We might be able to calculate the porosity of that rock, but it is much more complex when you're actually trying to produce a fluid of different densities through these pores.